Hey y'all, it's me, Tim Cook. Just joking, it's me, Erfon Elijah, Gadget Hunter. I've been a very naughty boy, such a bad boy. In front of me, I have all the items that I asked you guys to send me a while back in one of my videos. I just said, send me anything you want. Put out my P.O. box. Well, these have been sitting in my P.O. box for 3 months, maybe 4 months. I finally swung by, picked up all this stuff. I have no idea what is in here. Let's just open it up together. Let's see what treasures you all decided to send me. You know what, let's go ahead and just start from this one. It's from Amazon, no other information. Let's see what we have inside. What the heck? I have my very own brand new copy of Zor, Hunter from the future. He kind of looks like a He-Man ripoff, I think. Damn, look at those abs though. Those things are on point. The 35th anniversary edition, no less. This gets even better. Look at the front cover. That might be the best Blu-ray cover I've ever seen. You know, I can't say I'm gonna watch this, but I'm honored to have such a classic movie, what seems to be a classic movie. Thank you to whoever sent this to me. I am gonna watch it. I am gonna watch it. I can't, how could I resist? With a cover like that, how could I resist? Let's move on. Okay, we got one from Edward Field. You know what? I think I know what this is, and I think I probably should have picked this up a long time ago. Oh boy, I'm in big trouble here. I'm in big trouble. Oh boy. Oh boy, this is Edward Field. They make really beautiful, classy iPhone cases. Oh boy, they sent me a bag. I thought they forgot about me. We talked about getting a case from them ages ago, right when I got my iPhone 10. Here it is. Ooh, baby. You just simply peel, stick your iPhone in there. It's a beautiful handcrafted leather folio. Oh, ooh, baby. That sweet leather aroma coming off this. We gotta put my iPhone in here, right? Let's try it. Now the trick of this is gonna be getting off my current case. Damn, this thing is impossible. This is a Rhinoshield Crashguard, one of the best bumpers on the market. It's a nightmare to remove. Let me see if I can get this thing off. I almost got it. I think I almost got it. Ah! Let's slap this guy in here. So we'll go ahead and pull off this sticky right here. And this is like a reusable micro suction cup mat. So you just kind of stick your phone right in there. There we go. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Look at that sweet fit. Look at all these credit card slots in here. If you don't want to carry your wallet and your phone, you could have a handmade, beautifully aromatic, aromatic leather folio for your iPhone 10 or any of your other mobile devices. This is like a super premium case, made in the USA, made to last. Hey Siri, what is the synopsis for You're the Hunter from the Future?
I found quite a few movies for you to choose from. X-Men, Days of Future Past,
I found quite
The
a few
Future,
for you to choose
2011,
from.
Back to the Future Part 3,
1985
The History of Future Folk.
X-Men.
Thank you, Edward Field, for this case.
You're welcome.
Okay, we're going with this one next. This is a big boy. This one also from Amazon. Got some thank you notes in here. This one says, a gift for you can also be used by others if they touch your genitals. We got one more note in here. A gift for you, 12 glorious months of 3D dog dropping deuces. We've got the 2018 Pooping Pooches calendar. This is just 12 months of dogs taking a deuce in lawns. Oh, I guess there's beaches, there's snow scenes as well, a nice river scene there. Send me this. This is July. I wish I had known about this sooner. I'm gonna be checking my P.O. box more often. Now I feel like a huge jerk. This is Chip from Boca Raton, Florida, September 2018. Oh, Cody in Homer, Alaska, April 2018. You know, there's nothing like taking a big deuce in the lake. It's refreshing. You don't even have to wipe afterwards. I'm gonna proudly hang this in the Cult Cast headquarters here. This is going on the wall proudly. Thank you to whoever sent me this. I didn't know such a thing existed, and I'm not sure I wanted to know. Last but not least, maybe you touched your genitals. Liquid soap. You know, the thing is, throughout the day, you touch your genitals. It just happens. And especially for guys, you gotta reposition. You don't even know that you did it. Do you wash your hands afterwards? Maybe. Depends who saw you. The number one after genital contact liquid soap. This is the Fresh Meadow scent. Look how happy she looks. She's totally sure that the man shaking her hand has a nice, clean, Fresh Meadow scent, no genital germs on that hand. I have to admit, this is going way better than I ever thought possible. Let's keep this train rolling. Let's see what else we have. Oh Lord. This one comes from Justin Vandenberg. Justin, I am sorry. Justin is a Cult Cast listener. He listens to my very popular iTunes Top Tech podcast. He said he was gonna send me an iPhone case, so I think I know what this is. He sent it to me months ago. Let's go ahead and bust into your very gracious gift and see how it looks on my iPhone. Now, if this is brand new, I'm gonna feel like a big, huge jerk because that means that Justin bought me this case and I've had it this whole time and I haven't even tried it on my iPhone 10. Oh my goodness, well, it looks used, so I don't feel that bad now. He wrote me a very kind note and it's all in cursive. What a beautiful hand you have, Justin. Let's go ahead and just read this out. Erfon, thanks for all you guys do. You guys have got me through some very dog poopy days. This case has a couple of dings. If you like it, go ahead and keep it. I hope this makes it in one of your YouTube videos and you can bay a shout out on the podcast or one of your videos. Thanks, man. Enjoy. Thank you, Justin. Let's try on the very lovely case that you sent me. Now, this is a Moment case. It's compatible with the line of Moment lenses that many people love and adore. They add all sorts of cool new angles to your iPhone lens, wide angle lenses. Oh, Justin, yeah, buddy. There is a lot of dead skin cells on this case, my friend. Look at all that hand grime. Could you not have maybe put some Windex on it, wiped it down before you sent it my way? Do I dare put my phone in this case, Justin? It's full of dead skin cells, dude. Ooh, it pops right in. Fits very well. Easy to take your phone in and out of the case. That's very nice. And again, you can pop a lens right on the back there if you so choose. Now, I don't have any Moment lenses, so I won't be doing that. Thank you, Justin, for the very gnarly, skin-covered old case. I really appreciate it. Okay, next up we have something that's rather squishy. Again, no name on this one either, but it seems to be something from Groupon Goods. What is this? What in the hell is that? What the hell is this thing? Dear Erfon Elijah, please enjoy your man bun. Thank you to whoever sent me this very beautiful man bun. I'm sure I'll get many, many years of use out of it, even though it's shedding all over my desk as we speak. Last but not least, we have something that's very squishy. What is this? What is this? Just a sec. Just a sec here, guys. Man, I love making these videos. Well, that's all the stuff I have to unbox for you guys this week. Thank you all for sending me your gifts. I love you all so much. I love you all so much. I can't wait to do this segment again. Ooh, is it hot in here? I feel like getting on all fours and having someone riding my back. I just want to gallop all around. This has been great. I'm gonna put my P.O. box up on the screen. Boom, 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 boom. If you want to send me a gift, I would love to hear from you, especially for the guy that sent me this. Maybe go ahead and send me another present in 1 to 2 weeks. My name is Erfon Elijah, Gadget Hunter. I love opening up boxes and I love having a great time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Woo! What? What? Hey, what? What'd you say? What'd you say, bro? What'd you say, bro? What'd you say, bro?